We'll be live.
What's going on, YouTube family? Zxpredator over here, and just doing this little vlog for you guys. Now, this is a fully 360, fully VR capable video. I'm gonna be going back and forth between the formats, so bear with me as I am in this journey to become proficient in GoPro Fusion editing. So with that being said, I'm gonna give a big shout out to NV King and Moto Mac. I ran into them yesterday. That video will be going up sometime tomorrow because yeah, it's just a whole lot of stuff, and I wanted to send them some video or whatnot and just examine some stuff. I only have the first part of it, and then they went off to do their thing going up to Newburgh, so I'm glad they're in good health, good in shape, you know, no issues. So shout out to H2 Richie, Ricardo, Moto Mac, NV King. I didn't get the other guy's name, but he was riding that ZX14. I heard it has some juice to it, so it's some good stuff. I did want to let y'all know I've been getting requests to do videos with the Ghost Biker helmet. Make sure you check out Ghost Biker helmets on Instagram. That's the vendor that created this open face Predator helmet, which is the scariest one and has the most detail. But also they're the producers of my Venom helmet. So if you're interested in checking that out, I'll have a link in the description below, so you know we can make sure that you can find my people. They do excellent work, and you know, I vouch for them. And before I forget, if you do purchase from Ghost Biker Helmets, make sure you use my promo code ZXPredator. Again, ZXPredator. You'll get a nice little discount from them, and you know, it'll let them know that you saw this video and what have you. So make sure you check them out. Yeah, and this video is gonna be a little shorter. It's mainly just to demo the GoPro Fusion. I'm trying some overlays here and there, you know, just taking like a local run, and you know, I'm very happy with it. You know, I'm using a combination of different software to, you know, try to really push the content. So for those of you who have the VR glasses, I challenge you to use the cardboard mode. It is freaking cool. I was doing it before I uploaded this, and I was like, man, GoPro got it right. You know, the honeymoon phase will end, and you know, it'll be my standard, but you're gonna see a lot of good stuff, and especially once I get to the video with the YouTube meetup at Motorcycle Mall. So it'll be some good stuff, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I did want to touch on something. Now, most of you know, with the pandemic and how everything has changed, you know, the New York, New Jersey area will be getting International Bike Show in warmer weather, which has an inherent advantage where we'll definitely get to ride. We'll be going out there in September, and when I get there, you know, what I do want to return to is getting hooked up with the R&D, the PR, the specialist of each brand to give me some intel. And because things have been canceled with our situation, I've been kind of blind. So I will be interviewing like I did with Honda with the Triple R, same with Kawasaki, you know, different local you know, dealers like Bay Harbor Motors out in Staten Island, obviously Motorcycle Mall, Cross Country here in Jersey, you know. So I'm going to be mixing it up with those folks, just gathering some intel to, you know, create some content and topics for Time to Talk, where you know, I will be having some guests on there. I actually ran it by a couple people who are game to do it. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. It'll be on our Discord server, and we'll just be talking bikes. And I just want to get the discussion going. So, if you guys want to meet up with me and a couple others, I will be at the bike shows in September in New York. So, we could do meet greet, and then afterwards, if we're out and about, play around, have some smackdowns, that'll be some good stuff too to partake in. But a couple of my friends are gonna be out there. We're gonna have a wonderful time, and I definitely look forward to that. So if anything, you can hit me up on Instagram and just let me know, if you where you want to meet over there. I'll probably post something as we get closer to it, because prior to the event I'll be on military duty for a good while, and they keep sending me away in the middle of the summer, and it grinds my gears. But I hope that I can get that alleviated. But I'll come back, and then I'll have like a month, get prepared, and then we get down to the bike shows, get all that good stuff, get out good information, record as much as we can, get some good content. We're gonna have a ball. We have a good time. So that being said, I want you guys to rate, comment, and subscribe. You can like or dislike. It still goes a long way. And I would say, let me know which helmet you would like me to feature in the next video. Or I've done a poll on the community section of this channel, and I think the Wolf got like more than half the votes. So I'll be bringing the Wolf back online here and there. But those who did vote for other helmets, I will oblige you. I just want to make it somewhat interactive. But yeah, we're gonna have a good time. And I just wanted to do this little vlog for you. Stay tuned, because I am in hasty mode to get that meetup for Motorcycle Mall from yesterday. I'm actually shuffling things around to prioritize that one, because it was fun. I mean, got to break a good conversation. Now there's some parts I'm probably gonna give to the other guys to, if they want to use it, they can. I just wanted to give them first crack at there's one section where we're just talking and just being guys, so don't want to put nobody in trouble or anything like that. So I'll that one section because it's 4 clips, and then I just let it run like we were just naturally chatting. Me and NV King were sharing some information, and I have to say that is a good dude right there, fellow DoD service member like myself, and just a genuinely nice guy. I really get a good vibe from him. So I'll be paying him a visit. He doesn't live too far from my mom, so there'll be no excuse. So Ken, I'll be seeing you soon, brother. And with that, rate, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about the channel. If you want to do a collabo, I'm always game. So, man and Mr. Predator, I'll see y'all later.